Hydroponics is a farming technique that uses up to 95% less water than traditional agriculture, and yet, water is what it relies on instead of soil. How can hydroponics revolutionize the way we farm in the 21st century? Hydroponics does not rely on soil. Instead of growing in the earth, the plants are placed afloat circulating nutrient-rich water. The nutrient content in the water is adapted to the plant's needs. By changing the nutrient formula, you can grow almost any plant in hydroponics, all while using 20 times less water than traditional agriculture. Why is that? Agricultural flood irrigation in large fields loses water to simple evaporation, runoff and dispersion beyond the reach of plant roots. The agricultural industry is changing its practices to be more water-wise, but even the best drip irrigation only cuts flood irrigation losses by about 1/4, nothing close to hydroponics. The second resource that is used much more effectively is space. Because all that plants need is provided and maintained in a system, you can grow in your small apartment or the spare bedroom as long as you have some spaces. And since the plant's roots don't have to expand and search for nutrients and oxygen, you can grow your crops much closer to each other. In hydroponics, the unnecessity for extensive root growth also gives the plant the opportunity to invest more of its energy into growth above ground, giving you a bigger harvest. Through space savings and higher growth, the yield of hydroponics is up to 8 times higher than traditional soil-based agriculture. Another yield-increasing factor is the lack of pests and diseases. Many diseases are soil-borne, so are many organisms that potentially feed on the plant. The problem of annoying weeds that must be removed is also exclusive to soil-based agriculture. Since weeds, pests and plant diseases are heavily reduced, there are fewer chemicals used. This helps you grow cleaner and healthier foods. The cut of insecticide and herbicides is a strong point of hydroponics when the criteria for modern life and food safety are more and more placed on top. Hydroponic systems can be built and maintained indoors, so there is no need to adapt to the outside climate. In hydroponics, you can grow each crop continuously, all year round.